channel The Americanka. If you're new, please subscribe and of course like this video right after you watch it. Of course, if you like it, if only you like it. And today I welcome you from beautiful Cape Verde. It's the island next to Africa. And this vlog is not really typical because I am fulfilling my dream from the bucket list. Woo! I always dream about swimming in the Atlantic Ocean, and I want to swim in every ocean on our beautiful Earth. So right now I'm just fulfilling one of my dreams, you know, and I want to just talk to you a little bit about it, because some of the people, their dreams are to have beautiful house, make $1 billion or win in the lottery. And I want to talk to you about my dreams. My dreams are really, I can say powerful because they are connected to the nature. I really love nature, and I think swimming in this beautiful ocean, just look at this water, is something I can't even describe. You have to come here and just experience that, because this is just so beautiful. Our Earth is so beautiful, and I cannot really describe. I don't have really English vocabulary to describe how beautiful this place is. And I think when you connect yourself to the nature, you can really understand the power. You really cannot compare people's power to nature's power, and that's what I want to tell you in this vlog. In this really short vlog. But it's so beautiful. And I'm fulfilling my dream, and I wish you, my viewers, to fulfill all your dreams in your life. Of course, everything is possible, and work hard every day, and you will fulfill every of your dream. Enjoy this beautiful view. Thank you so much for watching this short vlog, and I hope you enjoy it. It was just a little bit like a motivation for life, and I just wanted to share with you that I'm fulfilling my beautiful dream. It came true. I'm so happy. The weather is so salty. Woo! I have to take a shower right after I'm done with my swimming in the Atlantic Ocean. The weather is so beautiful. I'm about to go there and just have fun, you know. Life is amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy your vacation, everybody.